Look, this is about to be my biggest unboxing video I've ever done. Look at that bit. Look at the size of that box. Fold three of them. Fold. There could be another box in that corner. It could still not be as tall as this box or as big as this box. But we gonna dig right into it. I'm about to show you up. Oh yeah. Oh, we got something else in here too. We got something special on the way. Now, if you like Overlord, I like me Overlord with some glasses and what do they call it? The teacher style version. The teacher style version. Come on. You know I couldn't say no to the teacher style version. You know, with the look and everything. And so this is a Band Presto. Look, Bondi, they got me again. But wait, there's more. Oh. I don't even know how to pack a box, I tell you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you know, I had to. I saw this and I said, man, you know how long this has been on my hit list? Either version. You know, I can't lie. I'm a figure dude. And look, okay, here you go. You can even see anime my box B, but the box looks pretty good. I call this pretty good in my book. I ain't complaining about this box right here. But for my dudes that wanted the anime figure unboxing and anime figure reviews, we gonna figure out how to slide her in. You know what I'm saying? And the Overlord figure, we gonna figure out how to slide this one in. Okay. Let's do a nice unboxing, right? And let's start off. We're gonna unbox this, but first we're gonna unbox this. And we're gonna unbox our sweaty with sexy lady. Oh, I got this. Oh, so this is the condition of this. I got this off of AmiAmi. Item A, box B. For those that you are curious, this is box B conditioning. I mean, the box looks acceptable to me, but let's get her open, yeah? Now, did I watch Overlord? I think I watched the first 1 or 2 episodes, and then I said, yeah, this is not for me. Oh, we're gonna need a slimmer knife than this. There we go. This knife is used, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm not gonna use this one for model kit building at all. Oh, let's put this one back in, this sharp. There we go. Let's get to unboxing. Nah, we won't get into it. So this is a Band Presto. Actually, I actually have quite a bit of Band Presto figures. Let's see what we get in here. Okay, that's the box right there. That's the box right there. And this is our Overlord lady. What's her name? Alboreto? Yeah. Albedo. Figure. Albedo figure. I'm assuming her name is Albedo. See, you can tell I don't watch the show. And we have to assemble her. This will be an unboxing and a review. Sure, why not? For my anime fans. You know, me and Bespectacled Beauties. Oh, we get to assemble the whole thing. All right, let's see. Let's see. I mean, this figure was cheap, you know. Let's get her hand right there. There we go. Glossy. Interesting. I was under the impression that the skirt was glossy too, based on the image of the box. But I guess that's not the case. That is a little bit sad, but that's all right. Let's go. Okay. So let's see what kind of figure we get here. Glossy legs. No, pressing up on our bosoms there. Let's see. And the hand goes like so. All right, that's about as much as I'll press it in, yeah? All right, and there she is. Honestly, let's compare. This is also a $10 figure here. My Kantai Collection Katori. But I did not have to assemble the whole thing for her. Oh, but this one is taller. Huh. By a little bit. But my Katori figure came with a tree. I like the matte stocking more. For some reason, this being glossy is a little bit weird. You don't usually see glossy stockings. That's what I mean by that. Oh, and that light is sharp. It's not a bad figure. I'll say it's meh. It's meh. Could I have gone without it? Yeah, I should have probably gone without it. But you know me, my bespectacle beauties. My bespectacle beauties. All right, okay. Oh, let's get her. Oh, I don't have her seated right. There we go. There we go. Let me bring you down to her level. Let's see. There we go. Darken the light just a little bit. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, she ain't too bad. I'm playing with the light here. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. There we go. Light was quite bright. She's not bad. It was $10. You know, I can. It's hard for me to say no to a lady with a price so low. All right, let's bring the camera back up. Put all this back in the box, and let's move on to Sweaty with Sexy Lady. Not a bad figure. Was it worth? I'd say if you like Overlord, there are better figures. I mean, these Brown Presto figures, they're cheap prize figures. I get it. Yeah, for a prize figure, how much did I pay for her? Maybe like 1,600 yen, I think. Yeah, I think somewhere around 1,600 yen. Something like that. All right, Katori, let's get you back on over here. And let's move on to this one. This one might have to, the magic of editing is probably going to have to be real on this one. Actually, look, she's so tall. We got to go all the way up here. And I'm probably going to have to edit this out quite a bit. Oh, this was an item A? Ooh, this is as close to brand new as possible. I forgot this. Oh, hold on, let me show you the sticker. I bought this from Ami once again. Item A, box B. I can't show you everything because she has some looty bits. And how I'm going to cut this, I'm just going to cut it like so. Because, yeah, I'm just going to cut it like so. I don't want to damage the box. There we go. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is going to be exciting. This means this is very important that I open her because this is going to be her first breath. She needs to breathe. She needs to breathe. And this is where the magic of editing is going to have to be real. So you can enjoy the rest of it. Here we go. We are here. Oh, I see the glasses. They were behind the not safe for work bits. You saw what they did there? Naughty fellows. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, this was worth it. Wait, what is that? They got this weird plastic mold bowl fan here, which is kind of strange. It looked like this was a second piece attached to this piece. It makes it look like she had surgery. Kind of weird. But I like how they still decided to add color to it. Strange. I know. This is strange. It's a weird figure. Oh, I gotta take her torso off in order to. Oh, that was easy. Ah, see, yeah, and that's what we're trying to avoid. That sweat. You see that plastic sweat right there? Hold on. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna wipe it away. You see it. Oh no, never mind. That's just gloss. That's just glossy plastic. Okay. Fancy unboxing. Now, how do we take... Oh, her head's detachable, of course. I knew that. All right. Oh, we get an option. Oh, ho, ho, that's the best part. When you get two options, I see it. I'm gonna tell you. There's two colors. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, okay. This is changing my mind about this quality. At first, I was about to knock this down a couple points, but now magnetic. Hold on, let me show you guys. Magnetic inserts. I don't think any of my figures have this. Yes, the magnets might wear out over time because it's always going to be connected. Oh, excuse me. But that's quality right there. That's an E for effort. I don't know which glasses to choose now, the red ones or the white ones. We'll try them both out. We'll see. The box, let's see, the box has the red ones on. Yeah, of course the box has the red ones on. But we got the white ones. I don't even know if the OGs came with the white ones. We might use those white ones. Shoot. Oh man. And you know what? This is giving me inspiration. I forgot I had extra pairs of glasses So I might be able to buy some figures that don't come with glasses and, you know, put some glasses on them. Oh yeah, that's the dream right there. I still ain't purchased all my dream machines yet. Oh, it's just a slide out. Okay, that makes it easy. Let's grab this one. Yes, yes, yes. Her lecture stick. Which way do these go? Does the end point? Ah, it's the red bit. Okay, the red bit is the end point. All right, got it. So let's get her on her base. All right, we're gonna put her on her base. Slid you down. They're not safe for work bits, so you're gonna have to stay out of view. Clear base. I think this is one of my first clear bases actually. And I'm glad that it's still able to breathe. Nothing looks discolored. Nothing looks, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't want to be messing with my fingers. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Okay. Okay, yeah, so Fam just came in and said the same thing. It looks like she has a prosthetic with this line right here. That's kind of rough to deal with. But we'll live with it. We'll live with it, yeah? So let's put it together. Let's put it together. We got everything we need. We can set the plastic aside. Except the glasses. We'll get those in a second. Looking through the camera is kind of tricky. Hold on. Oh, she is a tall lady. So this was made by A+, and unfortunately, I think they actually went out of business shortly after they made this. You know, COVID was a rough time. And a steel peg at that. I like that. I like that, because I've had some figures break their pegs. Oh, she's a tall one, boy. 6 scale figures, boy. Well, I guess you are supposed to pose it like so. Let me see. Trying to see where her eyes are pointing, you know? It's kind of funny, the eyes look like they're pointing in a different direction, or maybe that's because she doesn't have her glasses on. We gotta put her glasses on. But first, let's assemble everything together. Yeah, this is a lot trickier than I thought it would be. No instructions came with this figure, by the way. Sometimes figures come with instructions. Sometimes. And that's about as much as I dare. Oh, she's not really, yeah, she's supposed to be holding it like this anyways. I think. Oh, there we go. Give it a little bit more force. All right, snug. Step 1 done. Step 2. I guess we can assemble to preference. Let's use the box as a reference point. The box as a reference point, we can kind of see it's a little bit more like so. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And now the finishing touch. White or red glasses? We'll try them both. And this gets me excited. I forget I have other pairs of glasses for my other ladies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is about to be excited. I have one, there's one figure I'm looking at. And it does not have a pair of glasses. It is a teacher. Now it's really convinced me I need to go get it. Oh, sorry, baby. There we go. All right. All right, we got the red frames. Let's try the red frames. How in the world did they make this sit and stay? Because based on the picture, it looks like they just got it sitting. I don't think they meant for these glasses. You might have to glue these glasses. They're really being tough with this one. I've never seen a pair. Okay, you know what? All right, I'll put on the glasses later. I'll put on the glasses later. We're gonna clear up and we're gonna unbox Bayonetta. Okay, after tinkering with the glasses for a little bit, it's complete bollocks. From what I'm seeing in the picture, they glue the bad boys on. Imagine that. So what we're going to have to do is use some tape or something of the sort. Crazy. These guys are crazy. Crazy. These guys are crazy. I might have to find another pair and work with that. Because looking at the picture, they got me upset right now. So we're just gonna move on. I said we were gonna clean up, but I still wanted to figure out what was I doing wrong with these glasses. You know, I ain't no chump. Had to figure out what was going on. So let's move everybody to the side. Yep. Move her over. And let's open up Bayonetta. Bayonetta. All right, where do we gotta open her from? The side? Yeah, let's do it. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. They gave it to me upside down. Interesting. So that's the packaging. That's the box. Quite a nice box, actually. Hard to see what's on the box, but oh yeah. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, Cereza was in the first one. I like this. How do I? Ah, there we go. Oh, I like this right here. This is nice. This is real nice. This is real nice right here. This was worth it. Oh yeah. This is worth it right here. And Bayonetta. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me get you guys in on the alternate covers right there. Look at that. Oh, if you're a Bayonetta fan, man, I got this directly from Nintendo. They still had it available, so I said yoink. Before it was too late. La Art de Bayonetta 3. Ooh, and it's a nice heavy art book too. So let's see what you get. You basically get, oh, it works as a display stand. I'm in. I'm in. Okay, you can see. All right. Let's break this part right here. So fold, fold, fold across, fold down. Boom. Oh yeah, we're in there now. Now this, I'm gonna have to use the knife. That should be all we need. There we go. Plastic versus book, plastic loses. There we go. I haven't even played the game yet. Oh, I played Bayonetta 1 and 2. Yeah, y'all see I have Bayonetta 2 on the Switch, obviously. Bayonetta 1 is actually on PC. I also have a digital copy for Bayonetta 1 for the Switch, but I just play it on PC since why not? May spoil some of the elements of the game's story or features unlocked through progression. That's a good, they said, nope, spoiler alert. All right, so I'm gonna do 1 to 2 pages and that's it. I don't wanna get spoiled now. But we do have some insight into her dress style. And look at that. And I don't want to get spoiled because I haven't played the game yet. So I will look at this, I suppose, after I beat it. And it's all in, it looks like it's all in Japanese, so that's gonna be very fun for my Japanese learning. Oh yeah, this is. So for an extra 30 bucks, you get display stand style with an art book that has spoilers. And these are actually wrapped in plastic. I actually don't mind it. I like it. It's wrapped in plastic, so you can keep it nice and crispy, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. And this one I do have to open because I think the game is, yeah, the game is in this one. Oh, but when I have time, I will play it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I don't even have to display it on the box anymore. Oh, ho, 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 ho. We're in there. We're in there. Look at that. Hold on, let me get you at my level. We're in there. If I could get my glasses, girls. It looks like I gotta tape or glue her. Yeah, it looks like my Sweaty with Sexy Lady is a full commitment. I have to maybe use some adhesive or something to keep the glasses on, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Because I'm looking at the image here, it looks like they use some sort of clear tape. Yeah, they use some clear tape or some adhesive to get it on or keep it on. So I'm going to have to do something same. Modifications, yay. But it is what it is. But this right here is the main squeeze right here. Look at that. Oh, hold on, you know what? Since we have it saying 1, 2, and 3, we might as well. There we go. Might as well have it say 1, 2, 3 right there, right? Yeah.